Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Y'all, I just wanted to have a little coffee with you, say happy Friday, and let you know about a free gift we purchased today. How's everybody doing? I got to get over here and see the comments, see how y'all are doing. And look, I ended up adding some ribbon on the project last night. Y'all know, with Facebook, I got to even see if I'm live. There we are. Good morning. Hey, Paula. Let's see, the keyword today is fun because this is so fun. So if you place an order today, you're going to get a surprise color. You're going to either get Ever After ink or Peony Paste. One of these two will be put in your order. Isn't that fun? So comment the word fun. But what I want to show you is, don't forget the Flakes Welcome, the free transfer if your order reaches $50. So like you could get the Flakes only, or Flakes Welcome, if you do a $50 order plus one of these. Plus you don't want to miss this double-sided chalkboard. Y'all, I get so excited about November and freebies and fun giveaways and that kind of thing. So this is just today only. Today only. And you know, these colors are, they go right along with that new movie that's coming out, Wicked. So that's why we decided to throw one of these in your orders. Hey, Johnette. Hey, Jan. And I'm going to try to figure out a project. I'll come on later and try to do a project with the ink and then one with the Peony Paste. Hey, Diane. Hey, Mary. It's so great to see everybody. Yes, comment fun. And don't forget, you know, if your order's $50, you get the free transfer. Any order's going to get these. It doesn't matter if you're a club member, a perks member, designers, first time ordering, anything. So, don't miss out on this. One day only today. And y'all, what is in your coffee cup this morning? I've got just coffee with some creamer. Or actually, it's milk. Hey, Nancy. Hey, Carolyn. So, what are y'all doing today? I'm going to try to come up with an ink project and a peony project so y'all can see. And y'all, this one is metallic. It is so pretty. Pretty. Yes, Johnette said it sounds wicked good. I love free. I know y'all do too. And I don't want you to miss it. Because sometimes, you know, Facebook doesn't show the lives to everybody. So y'all be sure to sprinkle this out. Let your friends know, all your crafting buddies. Because look, you can paint with these. You can chalk with them. You can use them on fabric. All kinds of fun things. What is the green color? This is called Ever After. It is it's an ink. So you can use it on like potholders, aprons, you know, all the good stuff. And then this one's peony. And to me, these are great Christmas, spring colors. And you're going to get one of them free. We don't know which one. I need to make a post so y'all can let us know when your order comes which color you got. Thank you for sprinkling out. Debbie's making Christmas cards. Roberta's having coffee and creamer and cleaning. All right, guys. I'm going to hop off here. Cheers. Have a great morning. And don't forget, just November 21st. I think that's what today is. How is it November 21st? Any order is going to get one of these. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Comment fun. And y'all have fun today. I'll see y'all later. Bye now.